Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2018 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 6409. It's run from the 3rd 2015 to the 10th 2018. It has a 4-in-1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4-in-1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front spare wheel, 17-inch good tyre, left front door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, front courtesy lap sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,